Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you one of the best application where you can earn passive income daily by investing USDT. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, keep watching this video till the end and learn how you can invest on this platform and how you can make money in 2022. So guys, follow into crypto because every day we are uploading different kind of videos about cryptocurrency mining, about cloud mining. So guys, I will show you that how you can make a passive income through this application, which I'm providing a step-by-step guide through this video, and you can easily use this application on your computer, iPad, iPhone or any Android devices. So guys, follow this video till the end and learn how you can invest on this platform, how you can create account on this platform, and how you can withdraw to your wallet from this application. So the application name is CoinFast. You can see that this is the platform. I will give you step-by-step information about this application. There is a smart quantitative trading platform, cryptocurrency social trading platform. First time registered user receive $500 exclusive benefits from new users. There is, you can see, spot market, you can check here. So guys, there is the why choose CoinFast for 7 efficient digital currency purchase, access to the crypto world's derivatives market, join cryptocurrency trading, the future is here. Millions of members have chosen CoinFast. There is, you can see, active traders worldwide 300,000 K plus in 160 countries and regions covered, 1 million global users. There is, you can see, in the press, you can check the news, you can check each and every update by coming to the coinfastai.com. There is company profile. Our vision, our innovation and excellence is your success. We use innovative and intelligent quantitative trading technology to see future and meet the challenges. We work tirelessly to ensure the long-term delivery of superior results to our firm, our clients and our shareholders. The key to our success is our focus on creating a good corporate environment in which our skills and expertise can be best utilized. We think and act as a global team. CoinFast goal to create a better life for all. There is, you can see, anytime, anywhere, multi devices. As I told you, you can use on your computer, your iPad, Android and iOS. This having a best application, you can download and install it on your device. They have the partnership like there is BitMEX, Gemini, Get.io, KuCoin, Kraken, Hobby Global, FTX, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Bitfinex and Binance. So guys, this is the information about the CoinFast. So let me navigate you through the mobile device and show you how you can easily download the application and install it on your mobile device. So guys, I am right now on the application. I will provide you the link of this website where you can download the application of the CoinFast from the website. So guys, here is the mobile device application. You can easily download on Android, or you can click on this option, go to the product. Here you scroll down, you can see this is available for the Android and iOS. So as I'm using Android device, so simply I will click on the Android to start downloading. Click on the download option. Again, here you can see the file has already been downloaded again. So do you want to download it again? Simply click on the download, as I've already downloaded and installed it on mobile device. So there is no need to download it again. Simply complete the process of installing this application or CoinFast application on your mobile device. So guys, step by step I will show you how to register on this CoinFast application. Simply click the CoinFast to open it. There, once you installed the CoinFast application on your mobile device, on the main window you can check each and every information. You can see USDT 30% is available for 1 day commission period, expected 1 month profit. There is the second one is 45%, 60%, 75% and 90%. Each of these packages or plan is having different duration, and there is, you can see, the second one is 30 days, third one is 45 days and the fourth one is 60 days. If you invest more on this application, you will earn more from this platform. So guys, you can click on the wallet option, you can see the robot chat is also available. I will show you each and everything. So click on the wallet application for the registration. Here you can see that you can register by entering your mobile phone number or your email address. How you can register to this website? Simply click on the sign up option. Here you have to enter your email address. So I will enter my email address here. Simply enter the invitee code, as I will provide you my referral link or my invitee code in the below down description. Simply enter that and register to this website. So guys, once you entered the invitee code, simply click on the next step. Here you will receive an email verification code to your email address. Simply go to the email that you entered and copy the code from there to verify your email on the CoinFast platform. Here you will be asked to enter your login password. Simply click on the go to the setting. Here you have to enter your login password. Simply you can enter your password here, and the next thing is you have to enter your confirm password and click on the save option. Now you can see modify login password, set transaction password, modify mobile number. Simply you can enter the transaction password. So simply you have to enter the transaction word. It should be at least 6 digit. And here is the transaction password. Once you enter that, click on the next step. Successfully modified. The transaction password is also set. So now I will show you how you can invest to this platform, how you can transfer USDT from your wallet to this platform. Simply I will enter my next account on this platform here. Now enter your password, click on the next step. So guys, as I told you that the plan is different, and you can see 30%, 45%, 60%, 75%, and the duration is also different. So there is first days, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, and 60 days. So if you want to transfer USDT from your wallet address, simply click on the wallet option. Here go to the multi-money and here click on this option. Now here you can see the network is also selected. Here you have to enter the amount. For example, if you want to deposit 50 USDT or 100 USDT, simply enter the amount, click on the confirm option. Here select the network. Here you can see the expiration time, there is the amount, there is the payment address. Simply copy this address. Now go to the Binance or any other exchange platform that you are using. As I'm using Trust Wallet, simply I will open the Trust Wallet. Click on the Tether or USDT here. Click on the send option. Now enter the address here or paste the address. Enter the amount of USDT. Then click on the continue option. Then click on the continue option and complete the processing of the transferring USDT to the CoinFast. So guys, as I've already transferred the amount of USDT to my CoinFast wallet, so simply I will go and show you how you can invest to this platform. Simply click on the market option, go to the buy option. Simply I will buy these the first plan, so click on the buy option. Now here you have to enter the amount. I will enter 10 USDT. There is, you can see, enter the transaction password. Then click on the confirm option. As you can see, commissioned successful. So you will go to the expected profit. Commissions amount is 10. So you can see 1 day's commission period, and there is the trading income, expected earnings, there is the operation hours, there is creation time, ended time. So guys, this is the way how you can buy plan on the CoinFast platform. Easily you can check. If you invest more, you will earn more passive income from this platform. For example, if you again click on the buy option, if you enter 500, then you will earn total profit of 5 multiply 1% is to 5 USDT. 5 USDT you will earn from investing 500 USDT. So guys, the more you invest, the more passive income you will have from this platform. Again, for the transaction or from transferring from this platform to your wallet address, simply you can click on the wallet option, click on the cash out. Here you have to enter your wallet address. Simply I will go to the Trust Wallet, click on the receive option, copy the address, go to here. Now here enter your wallet address, enter the transaction password, then click on the confirm option. This is the way how you can transfer from this platform to your wallet. So guys, if you faced any kind of problem on the CoinFast platform, simply there is a chat option. You can click on that to chat the CoinFast support team. So here if you click on the chat option, another window will open. It will redirect you to the support team and you can easily contact him by sending a new conversation. Here click on the new conversation and wait for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see right now, the chat window opened and you can easily contact the CoinFast support team if you have any problem on the CoinFast platform. So guys, you can see now it's texting me and you can easily solve your problem or issue anytime. Also guys, the CoinFast application is having their official customer service support Telegram channel. You can easily join the CoinFast official customer service support channel Telegram account by clicking in the below down link. So I will provide you the link of the Telegram of the CoinFast in the below down description. So guys, it was about the CoinFast, one of the best platform where you can make passive income from this platform. If you invest more you will have income from this website or this application. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.